Model, 2008 Volkswagen Caddy C20 Diesel 2.0 SDI PD69 PS van. Body, green, panel van. Mileage, 122992. MOT, 5 January 2024. Engine, 1968 cc 1.9 SDI, 69 E4A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox is winding and grinding still drives, but will need replacing very soon. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, EU status, Euro 4.